In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Army in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on all of the steps that you have to go through to get Army. So essentially, it boils down to two major steps. So if you go over to the lobby and you browse through all of the pedestals, you will be able to find Army here. So Army is a badge-based ability, and you will be able to use it when fighting other players. It allows you to summon an army of 8 miniature warriors that resembles your player, so your avatar, to attack the enemies. To get it, you will have to do two main things. You have to get 13,000 punches, and you can check at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you have to get the warrior badge. Keep in mind that this warrior badge is not the same as the ability warrior. So ability warrior, this title is unlocked from getting every single badge available in the game except the event ones. This one, which is only called warrior and not ability warrior, you will be able to get by using the robot ability. So as you can see here, after you get a certain amount of punches, you will be able to unlock the robot. So when you get to 700 punches, you will get the robot. This badge-based ability essentially does the same thing. It summons a clone of your avatar, and it is going to fight others for you. Now, to get the warrior badge, you have to get 10 kills in one life using your E, so your ability. So once again, first, you will have to get either the warrior badge or 13,000 punches. It doesn't matter in which order you do this, you just have to complete both of these objectives. So let's say you already have 13,000 punches. The next step is to obtain the warrior badge. To get the warrior badge, equip your robot, use your E or your skill, ability, whatever you want to call it, to summon your robot, and it needs to get 10 kills in one life with your E. Once you get the warrior badge, it is going to automatically unlock Army. Of course, if you haven't acquired 13,000 punches yet, but you have the warrior badge, then you will have to get started on getting the punches. But this is all you have to do. Once you get both of those objectives done, it is going to automatically be unlocked. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Army in Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.